Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case and now press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts to be red. Here we go, we have a red one, and after that it should enter to pairing mode automatically, so now we should remove it from the list. Click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and now we should see it at the device list. Click on it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!